I'm Levi, a master trainer from Microsoft, here to give you a breakdown on how and why M365 could be the key to unlocking your potential. Did you know that Microsoft M365 wasn't just made for Windows? You can be just as productive on an Android phone or iPhone as you can on an iPad or Android tablet, seamlessly moving content between each with no changes or restrictions on your productivity or creativity. So, we know about M365 apps on Windows PCs, right? A mainstay on PCs since the very first word in 1989 to the abundance of apps it offers now. Take the regular crew. Word, PowerPoint and Excel, productivity powerhouses, but they're getting even better with the integration of Copilot and M365. Now you can save time to focus on the more important things in life by working with Copilot to turn your ideas into reality. Take updating your resume, a tedious process at the best of times. Now, by using a previously created resume and tailoring it to the job offer you want, just like that, Word will generate a draft. Now you have your draft, you can rephrase sections using Copilot. You can ask it to rewrite, maybe even make it more professional or casual. You can even ask it to reformat it into a different style of your choosing, maybe a table, maybe a pie chart. Something that would have taken you hours to do before, especially if you're applying for multiple jobs, can now be done so much quicker. You saw at the start the switching of content across the different devices, and this is all made possible by OneDrive. By saving or backing up your photos, videos, precious documents using that 1 terabyte of cloud storage, you can access it from wherever you are using whatever device you have. So if I was out and about and didn't have my computer with me, I could simply continue on my iPad, tablet or phone instead. Look how familiar the interface is, with easy access to Editor and Copilot and all your documents backed up in OneDrive. What I love best is that there's no compromise on productivity. Yeah, some people might feel more comfortable being at a desk on their computer, but being able to work how I want to work, where I want to work, is a big deal to me. Let's say you had to do something more heavy duty, a presentation but you didn't have much time. Big work, right? You need the big tools. Wrong? Just jump on your iPad and head over to PowerPoint. Using the newly integrated Copilot and PowerPoint, you can start your work with just an everyday prompt, and just like that you're cooking. A 10 to 20 slide presentation generated in a matter of minutes with images and animations included and even speaker notes on the side. You can go even further by asking Copilot to include additional slides and topics it might have missed, or use Designer to change the appearance of each slide, giving you variety at a touch of a button. I know what you're thinking, but this isn't about getting Copilot to do the work for you. Instead, it's about making tasks like creating presentations, updating resumes, or digesting data in Excel so much more accessible and less time consuming. But what if you don't even have your tablet on you? No bag, so you're just a phone against the world and bam, email after email is hitting your inbox. Again, M365 with Copilot can ride to the rescue. You now have the ability to draft and reply to emails with a prompt and some directions to Copilot on the style of reply you want. Want it to be more formal and professional? Or maybe you want it more chilled and something you send to a friend or family member. Just tell Copilot in Outlook what you want, edit it to your preference and send. It's also a great platform to be able to take calls on Microsoft Teams. We know how important remote learning and working is now to everyday life, and ensuring you have the best experience is everything. The app is optimized for mobile and tablets, offering a smooth experience and ensuring productivity isn't dependent on where you are or what device you're using. But what if you needed something different? What if you're not going to be using Word, PowerPoint all the time, or you're not going to be making that many emails or video calls? How about the ability to create and edit videos and content on Clipchamp? Yes, this is M365 in the modern world. No longer is your creativity restricted by needing to be a pro or a Premiere Pro, or needing all the fancy tools and gadgets. Have you got your phone? Great. Have you got a tablet? Fantastic. PC or Mac, you already know. Do you remember me talking about that seamless integration with OneDrive? Capture that clip or voice note on your phone, save it to OneDrive, and then you can either edit it on your iPhone or your iPad or PC. Cut, add or remove audio, overlay text or images, even add captions. You can even use the massive library of templates and content Microsoft puts at your disposal, all copyright free. Content creating really is at the tip of your fingers. I mean, the value you get with just one subscription is astounding. Again, to be able to use it on up to 5 different devices, iOS, Windows, Chromebooks, that 1 terabyte of OneDrive cloud storage, the integration of Copilot now in Word, PowerPoint, Excel, OneNote and Designer, the editing and content creating in Clipchamp. Add on to that, the Microsoft Editor, advanced spelling, writing and grammar assistant, and Defender's advanced security for your personal data and device. And you have a subscription that's filled to the brim with value and gives you the productivity and creativity tools to face any challenge. For similar videos on how you can get the best out of your Microsoft products, please subscribe to the channel. Give us a like and let us know in the comments ways you've used M365 to enhance your productivity and creativity. Thank you.